Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your Samsung runs Android 9 or newer, and you have a Google account signed in. Once done, open the Play Store to install or update Google Drive. Make sure permissions for storage and contacts are allowed. Now launch Drive, tap the plus button in the bottom corner, and choose Upload or Folder to create your first structure. This gets files into Drive fast, so you can organize deliberately rather than improvising later. Once files are uploaded, you organize them to make retrieval quick. You create folders, long press to multi-select and move items, and use stars for priority documents so they're easy to find. Make sure to enable backup and sync for photos and specific device folders. Pick Wi-Fi only if you want to limit mobile data usage. Also, before you leave connectivity, mark important docs available offline so you can open them without a network. This prevents frustration during travel or meetings. To finish, you share and protect access. Tap a file, choose Share or Get Link, and set viewer, commenter, or editor roles so collaborators only do what they should. If you accidentally delete something, open Trash to restore within 30 days and monitor your storage quota to avoid blocked uploads. If syncing fails, try the key fix. Clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall Drive. Make sure you haven't exceeded account storage limits before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.